Hi guys, welcome to our vlog again. So yeah, we're here to para maglinis ng house with my family. Where's Mama? Mama? I can't find my mother. She's cleaning also. And this is my cousin, Laura. We're cleaning the house po. Because we're the maid of this house. Kaya we're cleaning po. So now, itutur ko po kayo sa bahay na aming lilinisan para makita nyo po kung ano ang i-improve ng bahay na ito. So let's start dito sa terrace natin po. As you can see, there's a lot of poop from the chicken po of my father. And the next one that we're going to clean is the sala. Yan po, yung sala. And here's the other something kinini. I don't know what you call this room, but it's full of stuffs too. And the last one we're going to clean is the kitchen. Whew, it's so hard. I haven't started anything yet, but as you can see, I look so tired and stressed. But it's okay. I can manage. Oh. So as we continue the cleaning of our house, we have here a walis, and I already started cleaning the kitchen area, and I also cleaned all over the place except for the rooms because my mom told me that it's okay if I don't clean the rooms because it's already clean. So yeah, I'll start to scrubbing the floor with this cloth with Downy. Yeah, and I look so pawis na even though I only clean the floor with just such things. And so I'm gonna find my brother Muna to show you how he cleaned the outside of the house po. Yan po. As you can see, there's no more leaves on the ground. And also he cleaned the goat area. Here's the goat area. Yan po. Already cleaned it. There's no poop na. Yeah, it's already cleaned. That's good, diba? So now I'm currently cleaning the area with my bare hands. So let's see if we can do it without even getting tired. But to be honest, I'm tired already. So we go to our cousin who's currently cleaning the refrigerator. Yeah, because it's very dirty. We have an upcoming visitor later, so it's time to clean and clean and clean and clean. Because, Filipino things, yeah. So I finally found my mama here. So mama, what's the update of your job?
Anyway, this is my
I can't see you in the camera.
my
Here, look at the camera. Look at the camera. There you go. So tell me, how's your experience as a mother who's cleaning this house?
I'm so tired. Without
so tired.
any merienda.
Without any merienda. Oh, that's so true. We don't have any meriendas here. Even we're already tired. We're already finished. There's no merienda. I can accept this. I want merienda. Where's Nanay? I should told Nanay that we need a merienda. There's no merienda. I want merienda. There's no merienda po. Ay! Sorry. Namali ang ano ng camera. So, here's my cousin. Any update for your job? Cleaning the refrigerator.
Oh, eh.
Tell me anything that you wanted
Wala.
to say. There's nothing.
Yeah.
It seems like she's not interested. Yeah. My cousin Laura's not interested in telling everything about her job as cleaner. Yan, nangingitim ako. Yeah, I'll send it to my cousin too. So that... Po? Sino tanga? It's already 6:30 and this is the last area that I'm going to clean, and it's kind of hard because there's a lot of poop of chickens, and I'm about to start this clean thing. There you go. Wait lang. There's a lot of poop. Can you see it? Yeah. Oh my god. There's a lot of poop. Poop of the chickens. Ganda ng langit oh. Parang ikaw. Kimi, ako hindi. It's already 6 p.m. and I'm in the middle of cleaning the, what do you call this? The terrace. There you go. I'm going to clean it again with my added down. Ano malinis, diba? Oh my gosh. So after nito, we're done na and I'm gonna take a shower. Kasi may hinamoy putang ina, wag na nga. So yeah, we're done na. Yan, medyo basa-basa pa siya, but yeah. I'm finished finally. To-celebrate tayo. Wait lang. Wait. Yan, magpa-party tayo dito. Yan si mama ko. Sasama ko siyang magpa-party. Kimi.